Looky here, Creative Labs Zen Micro. Back in the day, when you couldn't afford a loan to buy your kid an iPod, you had to go with what was out there. These were 6 gig, I believe it was. They have a little micro Seagate drive in there, which was a problem, just like the iPods. The iPod used a laptop hard drive, and that was more susceptible to drops. You drop an iPod, the original iPod, that hard drive in there is going to get shocked and bounce the heads and screw up your drive. The same sort of thing would happen with these. There's a little micro HD in here. Except when these went bad, you could open them up and replace it. It wasn't easy, but you could do it. So, these are what you used to have to get your kids. It's like a little flip phone battery, 3.7 volt, obviously, lithium ion. Lithium ion, such a jump ahead for back then. So you had to get them a Creative Zion. Get it to turn on. Now this didn't go through the full. That didn't go through the full reboot. And this has the clicking turned off. Players. Alright, player settings. Clicker on. Yeah. High sensitivity. Okay. And then back. And now we can go back and look at our stuff. All tracks. So now we got our clicker on. And then you would get the same thing as an iPod. This one right now has some hard drive issues. Like if I play some of these songs, they might halt. I don't know if one of those was a... Oh, there was a quicker boot up. Let's see. I don't know if there was one that actually turned it off. Because it normally doesn't boot up that fast like that. You would get the things where it has to rebuild the indexing. So anyway, over here, I got a bit of a speaker system going. I gotta limit what we play, because, you know, there's your volume. Volume up and down. You know, old music. You could play FM radio. Let's see, what is this? "2006, wow. Where's the radio? Is it over here? No. Oh, here it is, FM radio. The iPod couldn't do that. The iPod couldn't play the radio. That was what I marketed to my daughter. That you could also listen to the radio, bro. Yeah. I told her, though, this is better. This is way better. 2007. This was way better because you could listen to the radio. And you had a microphone. You could record yourself on a microphone. Of course, I knew I was full of crap. Recordings. Oh, I thought it just recorded me. Guess not. Oh well. Let's see. So, there you have the Zen Micro. America Bush mouth. I think this was going to get an error. Yeah, so that took forever to play. That's an example of how the errors work. The hard drive, bad hard drives. Hopefully, YouTube doesn't make me delete all this freaking music because it's just ridiculous. Just ridiculous. So, David Lee Roth. So we're 5 seconds in. 9 seconds in, still no sound. It's getting an error reading the hard drive. Either that or the speaker cable's dirty, because it is. It's got a lot of build up over the years. You call it metal corrosion, but it's not corrosion, sort of. So yeah, that is the Zen Micro, broski. How old are you?
6 and 3 inches. I think I have to ask my mom.